The first thing you need to do is to access the candidate portal, the portal that you have been using throughout the admission process. Having completed all the steps, the only one remaining is enrollment. In this section, you will see that your documentation appears as accepted. Remember that the login credentials for the university portal are the ones shown above. Click on Acceso a Automatrícula and enter the username we just mentioned. If you don't remember your password, don't worry. You will be able to reset it. Log in and click on Grado. Fill in these fields with your parent details, save the changes, and move on to the next step. Complete the information with your banking details. You will be able to add an account or update an existing account holder. Check that the provided details are correct. Tick the checkbox and click Siguiente. You need to download the direct debit mandate. Once signed, you will need to upload it. You can do this by dragging into the window or by clicking Subir el mandato firmado. Once done, click Siguiente. Read the basic personal data protection information. Accept the terms to continue and click Siguiente. The Ministry of Education asks you to fill in this survey for statistical purposes. It relates to the educational background of your parents. Accept it and move on. Select the degree program you wish to enroll in. You must check that all your details are correct and it is time to choose your subjects. If you want to choose a full academic year, click on Agrupaciones de Plan. If you wish to choose subjects one by one, you can do it so by filtering by year, type, or credits. Make sure the groups are the same across all the classes you have selected. You will be able to choose how many installments you wish to use to pay for the academic year. A single payment or an installment payment plan are both available. Siguiente, confirm and finish. Thank you very much.